Guys, when we talk about preference, aesthetic and a touch of class, we talk about this hisense fridge. Iko na a very sleek design. Ni 268 liters inakaa hivi. Iko na 3-star energy rating, kumaanisha more stars, more savings. It does not consume a lot of power. And guys, it's a bottom mount freezer. Inakaa hivi on the inside. So the upper side is the fridge side, na huku chini ndo the freezer side. Iko na a very wide compartment sitting on the inside, inakaa hivi. Hii hapa ni compartment ya water dispenser, ni 2.5 liters capacity. Hapa hata si lazima uweke maji, unaweza hata wine, uweke kamunyweso, uweke drinks, any sort of your drinks. Unaweza weka hapa, na outlet yake ndo hii hapa. And then huku chini ndo the freezer. Iko na 3 baskets on the lower side, kumaanisha unaweza store a lot of vegetables, a lot of meat, a lot of akina smoky, brawn and sausages. Inakaa hivyo fridge yetu. Na hii fridge, it was going for 79,000 Kenyan shillings. But saa hii niwaambie kitu, iko on offer. It's only going for 75,000 Kenyan shillings. 4,000 zimekatwa hivyo. Kujia hii. Na unaipata only at Atenza Home Appliances. You can shop this fridge on our website. We go by www.atenzahomeappliances.co.ke, or you can visit our physical store to co-located the former Nakumat Lifestyle, which is currently Naivas Lifestyle, Mezzanine 1, shop number 2.